Espinosa, do you by any chance know what time your 9:30 shift starts?
9:30?
See, that's what I would have said. But then I had Ted stand out in the parking lot and monitor your arrival times this week. Ted?
9:34, 9:39, 9:41, 9:33, and 9:50.
How is that law degree working out for you, Ted?
I was going to be a senator.
I haven't perused the latest nursing contract, but I'm guessing it doesn't say show up when you damn well please.
Well, hey, Bob, here's an idea. What say you stop showing up altogether? We'll just replace you with the giant time clock. Oh, and if we ever get to missing you, we'll just have a tiny little Bob Kelso cuckoo bird pop out every couple of minutes and say, I've never satisfied a woman. I've never satisfied a woman. I've never satisfied a woman.